What if the water you drink today once traveled through deep space billions of years ago? It may sound unbelievable, but scientists believe Earth's water actually came from outer space. Today, most of our planet is covered in water, but when Earth first formed, it was an extremely hot and dry world, with no oceans, rivers, or rain. There was not a single drop of water here. So where did all this water come from? According to scientists, icy comets and asteroids carried water across the universe and crashed into the young Earth billions of years ago. These space rocks were filled with frozen ice, and after countless collisions, the ice melted and slowly formed the oceans, seas, and rivers we know today. That means the water you drink, the rain that falls from the sky, and the oceans covering Earth may have originated in the far reaches of space. Just imagine it. The most important ingredient for life on Earth could be a gift from the cosmos itself.